bud. Hi, like a grass. He likes grass.
Hi.
Hi, bud. Is Mom coming out? Oh. Hi, guys. See turkeys? See turkeys? Hey, chickens? Hey.
What are they doing?
No, did give them the seeds, their feed, and checked all their waters. Can we get this to them or to them?
Both.
Okay. Like them, buddy? Is your friends? Yes. Is your friends? They cute? Yeah. Isn't they cute, buddy? Hi, guys. Oh, I'm gonna check the little guys over there. Buddy, bud.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Oh, he's chipmunk.
Sit. Sit. Behave yourself. Don't go change it, monk.
Bud, buddy. Thank you. Like a baby. Want to check on little roosters? Want to see the little roosters over here? How you guys doing? Hi. Got plenty of food. You got water, but I need to get you some clean water. You guys do poop in your pool? Pool looks so smushy.
Hey, doggy.
Buddy. Hey, bud. Hi, buddy. The chickens sound funny, don't they? Yeah, did I see Buddy? Say hi to Buddy. Say hi. You guys are used to goats and stuff. You're used to goats and stuff like that. You're used to tall animals. So is it be any different for a dog, you know? He's sweet, guys. He's a sweet baby.